10 critical mistakes in the annual operating plan you need to avoid. Your annual operating plan is the backbone of your business strategy. If it's poorly executed, it can lead to wasted resources, missed opportunities, and stagnation. In this video, we're going to uncover the 10 most common mistakes and how to avoid them so your business thrives. And here's the twist. We'll reveal one game-changing approach you might be overlooking that could make all the difference in your success. Segment 1. Lack of clear objectives. Think about it. Would you go on a road trip without a destination in mind? Without clear objectives, your plan lacks direction, leaving your team unsure of what success looks like. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. By setting SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you give your team a roadmap to follow. But even with great goals, are you factoring in what's happening in the world around you? Segment 2. Ignoring market trends. Markets change fast. What worked last year might not work today. Ignoring trends means missing opportunities and being blindsided by shifts in customer needs. For instance, a local bakery noticed a growing demand for gluten-free products in its market. By adapting its menu, the bakery not only retained existing customers but also attracted a new niche audience, increasing revenue by 20%. Stay ahead by researching trends and adapting your strategies to align with market demands. Once you're aligned with the market, the next big challenge is managing your finances. Segment 3. Poor financial forecasting. Have you ever found yourself running out of budget halfway through a project? Overestimating revenue or underestimating costs can derail even the best-laid plans. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. Accurate financial forecasts ensure you allocate resources effectively and avoid nasty surprises. Speaking of resources, are you using yours wisely? Segment 4. Inefficient resource allocation. Picture a chef using their best knives to chop butter. Misplaced resources are just as wasteful. Failing to align resources with priorities can lead to inefficiency and missed goals. Take a software company that allocated its best developers to a side project instead of its flagship product. The main product fell behind schedule, resulting in lost sales and frustrated customers. Strategic allocation boosts productivity and ensures your plan delivers results. But even with resources in place, risks can still throw you off course. Segment 5. Insufficient risk assessment. What's your backup plan if your top supplier shuts down tomorrow? Overlooking risks leaves your business vulnerable to unexpected disruptions. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Benjamin Franklin. By proactively assessing risks and creating contingency plans, you're prepared for anything. Now let's talk about the people who make it all happen, your stakeholders. Segment 6. Lack of stakeholder involvement. Who knows your business better than your team and partners? When stakeholders aren't involved in planning, you miss out on valuable insights and buy-in. A retail chain struggling with high employee turnover involved their staff in operational planning. By gathering input and addressing concerns, they not only improved their plan but also boosted morale and reduced turnover by 15%. Collaborating with stakeholders ensures your plan is realistic and widely supported. Support is great, but is your timeline setting everyone up for success or failure? Segment 7. Unrealistic timelines. Ever set a deadline that even Superman couldn't meet? Unrealistic timelines lead to stress, burnout, and missed deadlines. It's not that we have little time, but more that we waste a good deal of it. Seneca. Setting achievable timelines fosters a productive and balanced work environment. With timelines in place, are you keeping an eye on your competition? Segment 8. Overlooking competition. Your competitors are watching you. Are you watching them? Ignoring competitors leaves you blind to threats and opportunities. A small tech startup analyzed a competitor's pricing strategy and discovered an underserved customer base. By offering a budget-friendly alternative, the startup doubled its market share in just 1 year. Analyzing competitors helps you refine your strategy and stay ahead in the market. Even the best strategies need to adapt. Are you ready to adjust your plan? Segment 9. Failing to monitor and adjust. Plans change. The question is, are you flexible enough to change with them? Without regular reviews, you risk wasting time on outdated strategies. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Frequent evaluations keep your plan on track and aligned with your goals. Finally, let's address the glue that holds it all together: communication. Segment 10. Neglecting communication. Even the best plans fail if no one understands them. Poor communication creates confusion and undermines execution. A construction company implemented weekly team briefings to review project goals and progress. This simple communication tweak reduced errors and improved project completion rates by 30%. Clear, consistent communication ensures everyone is aligned and accountable. Now that you know what to avoid, your annual operating plan is set to succeed. But what if I told you there's more critical habits that most people overlook when it comes to maintaining this success? It's something that could amplify everything you've learned today. I'll reveal the most powerful habit for creating and sustaining wealth, and how you can use it to take your organization to the next level in this video.